Here's some dogwood. Alright, I got it cut down to the size to get in the bucket. I'm going to get off as much of this bark as I can, but I think it'll add to it. I'm not sure what color I want to do with this one, but I want it. It's going to fill up the bottom here. Just make a cool ass bowl out of this using the Total Boat resin. It looks fairly good. Ready for another pour. Alright, well here it is. Looks like everything got filled in. I don't see any cracks or anything. It's going to be a booger. I mean, this thing took damn near half a gallon of resin to do. I think this is going to be pretty. So. Alright, let's see how fast we can get this thing going. We can start off, it's at 600 right now, so. Man, big old shard came off of there, that's alright. This is that hump anyways. We're going to speed it up to about 800. Alright, look at that. It filled in really nicely. All those cracks and voids. I got it up to about 1050 now. Yes, time for sanding! Alright, so now that I'm done with the 60 grit, I'm going to do 80 all the way through 240. And then once we hit 240, I'll stop it and I'll come back. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just coat it with this and then dry it up. I want you to watch this stuff pop when I put this on. Oh. Look at that. That's just with sanding sealer. Alright, the next step is to resand it at 240 and then do it all the way up to 800. Then we'll hit it with sanding sealer again, some Yorkshire Grit, and then some OB Shine Juice. The sanding sealer. I like this sanding sealer. Now that's my own opinion, but it's just so awesome. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit. Alright, time for some Yorkshire Grit. Got this from Jamie Page. If you haven't seen Jamie's videos, I'm going to put the link right here on the screen, probably right over here. I add this stuff fairly liberally, and I rub it in. Here we are. Just made some OB Shine juice. Now I'm going to put some in. What I do is I like to put it on there and then go ahead from there. You're going to see this thing pop and you're going to go, wow, that OB Shine juice, after one application, is just incredible. And I'm going to turn this up. You can see that shine coming out already. Alright, you ready for this? Look at that. And that's the first coat. I'm going to put 6 coats on this sucker. Alright, there you go. So now what we're going to do is flip this around and get the inside hogged out. And then we'll turn around and do the back side. I think I'm telling you, if the customer doesn't like this, I'll take it. You know what these remind me of are giant pencil shavings. Look at the colors of them. It's so awesome. I'm going to go ahead and put my bowl steady on here because I'm afraid when I start pulling on this, it's going to pop off. So, better safe than sorry. I'll be right back. Forgot to turn you guys back on. Alright, that took me roughly an hour and 10 minutes to make sure I got out all the lines and got it pretty smooth. Time for the inside. OB Shine juice. Look at that. I'm going to put about 5 more coats on here and I'll be back. Gotta do it. There we go. That is one beautiful bowl. All right, small operator error. Accidentally deleted the last scenes off of my SD card. But here's the bowl. I think it's a big success. I call it the frozen water bowl. You can see this looks like frozen water or ice as it's more commonly known. I think it did really good. It got up in all the cracks, all that resin. Complete success. Thanks for watching. If you could, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell so you know when stuff's coming out. Head over to my Instagram if you want sneak peeks. I do it on the weekends and most days when I'm working on something. Also have a Facebook if you're interested. I want to thank Total Boat for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in Total Boat, which is a great product, you can go over to totalboat.com and use MoonPie10 to get 10% off. All right. Thanks for watching.